Welcome back to the Total Quality Management Training Series. Today's chapter is about connecting the dots between your organization's strategic direction and the quality objectives that drive daily action. In many organizations, quality is treated like an isolated function, something that happens in audits, inspections, or compliance reviews. But total quality management encourages a broader view, where quality becomes a shared responsibility and a strategic asset. Let's explore how aligning quality objectives with organizational goals creates unity of purpose, boosts performance, and accelerates improvement. Strategic misalignment is more common than most organizations realize. While executive leadership may be focused on growth, innovation, or customer expansion, departments may be optimizing processes or chasing certifications, without understanding how those efforts contribute to the big picture. This disconnect creates wasted resources, conflicting priorities, and missed opportunities for improvement. In TQM, alignment ensures that every quality objective is intentional, not just a checkbox. Every process owner understands how their work supports broader goals, and every initiative delivers real value to both the customer and the business. Think of alignment as the glue that holds strategy and execution together. Let's look at how objectives cascade through an organization. At the top, you have your vision and mission, why your organization exists and what it aims to become. Then there are strategic goals, high-level targets such as increase customer retention or enter 2 new markets within 3 years. Next, we have tactical goals, departmental or team-specific targets that support the strategy. Finally, operational or quality objectives, the actionable, measurable outcomes that help meet tactical and strategic targets. Your vision, for example, could be to be the most trusted supplier in our industry. Strategic goal could be to reduce customer churn by 20%. Tactical goal could be implement a customer feedback and response program across all accounts within 3 months to proactively address service and quality concerns. Quality objective could be to reduce product returns due to defects by 30% within 12 months. When these levels align, every effort becomes a step toward strategic success. Quality becomes a pathway, not a detour. Now let's focus on the design of the objectives themselves. Quality objectives should be SMART, S-M-A-R-T, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Specific, define the what with clarity, avoid vague goals like improve quality. Measurable, attach a metric like reduce defects by 15%. Achievable, goals must stretch the team but still be realistic. Relevant, the objective should support a higher-level business priority. Time-bound, set deadlines to drive urgency and accountability. For example, an objective that is not SMART would be improve packaging quality. A SMART version would be reduce packaging defects related to sealing from 3.2% to under 1% by Q4 through equipment calibration and operator training. This makes it clear what success looks like and how it will be measured. To bring alignment to life, we use goal cascading. This is a method where organizational goals flow down into functional and individual responsibilities. For example, a corporate goal might be to improve customer loyalty by enhancing product reliability. The engineering objective would then be to redesign high-failure components to increase mean time between failures by 20%. The production objective could be to reduce assembly line rework from 5% to 2%. And the quality objective might be to increase first-pass yield to 98% through improved inspection criteria. When done well, cascading creates clarity at every level, helps teams prioritize their work, and reinforces collaboration across departments. Each team understands not only their own goals but also how they contribute to shared outcomes. Several powerful tools from the TQM toolkit support goal alignment. Hoshin Kanri, also known as policy deployment, is used to align goals top to bottom with structured discussions, called catchball, to ensure understanding and commitment. It creates an X matrix that links strategic goals, initiatives, owners, and performance indicators, and encourages two-way communication between leadership and frontline teams. The balanced scorecard is a framework for aligning performance metrics with strategic perspectives, financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. Quality indicators like defect rate or customer satisfaction can be integrated into each category. The Quality Planning Matrix is a cross-functional chart that links customer requirements, the what, to quality goals, the how. It's similar to QFD, but focused on execution. Management review meetings, as per ISO or AS standards, offer a recurring opportunity to review progress toward goals, adjust misaligned objectives, and confirm the QMS is still supporting business strategy. Each tool helps maintain a clear line of sight from the boardroom to the shop floor. Alignment isn't just about process, it's about people. To build a culture of alignment, leaders must clearly communicate goals and repeat them consistently. Teams must be involved in shaping objectives, not just handed them. Progress should be celebrated, not just audited. Collaboration must be encouraged across silos. Imagine a culture where a line worker knows how their inspection impacts customer retention. A quality engineer ties their data analysis to business innovation. A customer service agent gives feedback that leads to a product redesign. That's not accidental. That's the result of deliberate alignment. To wrap up, organizational goals define where we're going. Quality objectives define how we'll get there, with excellence and consistency. Using smart objectives, cascading strategies, and alignment tools like Hoshin Kanri and balanced scorecards, we ensure every department moves in the same direction. And by fostering a culture of connection and clarity, we turn strategy into action, and action into results. And remember, when your goals align, your team shines. Check out our other training videos in this series where we continue to delve deeper into the 6 pillars of total quality management, as well as tools, benefits, and how to implement TQM in your organization. Thank you for joining, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos from All Things Quality.